So this is exactly how to connect any controller to your Delta Force on iPhone. So to be able to do so, what you need to do firstly is that on the controller that you want to be able to pair to Delta Force or to your iPhone as well, you need to make sure that you're going to turn it around. And if this has this little switch where it says Bluetooth or BT, or if it has like a Bluetooth logo here, make sure to switch it to that one. That's very important. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on start here on my controller. So you can see for me it's going to blink green here, and then I also have to click on a button up here to be able to put it into pairing mode. You can see I know that it's in pairing mode when it runs like that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go into settings here on my iPhone real quick, and I'm going to click on Bluetooth, and I'm going to wait for other devices here, as you can see. And it's called Pro Controller here, the controller that I want to connect to. And you can see now it's going to say connected here, which is perfect. And once it's connected, it stays green here for me constantly, as you can see. So now what I have to do obviously is to just go into Delta Force, and then I should be able to start playing with my controller here that I have connected to it. So basically that is exactly how to connect any controller to Delta Force on your iPhone.